3 best prompts you should use to ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large AI language model developed by OpenAI, and it's one of the powerful AI available on the internet. You can ask anything you want and it gives the answer accordingly. But sometimes people don't get the answer they asked for. It's because ChatGPT can understand what you actually want from it. So most of the people don't know how to ask ChatGPT to get the exact result they want. So if you want to get the exact information you desired, you need to write the correct prompt with all requirements that you want in your desired output. So here are 3 best prompts you can use to get the desired output from ChatGPT. First, if you want to learn something or you heard about a term that you are unaware of, you go to ChatGPT and ask what is this or that, and it gives some general information about it without giving the simplest definition or explanation. Sometimes it gives such a response that is difficult to understand by a layman. So here's a prompt that you can use to get the response which is easy to understand and it is explained in detail. So I'm going to write a prompt like this. I want to learn about cryptocurrency. Explain cryptocurrency to me like I'm 10 years old. Now, it is giving the response to my prompt, and you can see how simply it has explained the topic that I have given to it. It started explaining with the help of daily life example, which is quite easy to understand by a 10-year-old, and then it is explaining the term cryptocurrency and it is explaining the features, and in the end has summarized the whole response. Second, if you are a content creator or content writer, so ChatGPT can help you write content for you. Especially if you are a YouTuber, so it can write you a detailed script for your next YouTube video. Here's how you can get this script. You just need to act as a script writer and write a script in detail for YouTube video about the topic that you want to write it. And you can write any topic you want to write a script on. Like I am giving it affiliate marketing, and here we go. It is writing the whole script for you. And if you read it carefully, then you will realize that it is not only writing the dialogues, but also it is giving the scenes and who will gonna speak this specific dialogue. Last but not the least, if you want to learn some new language like English, Chinese or German, or if you are searching for a tutor who can teach you some new programming languages, so the best tutor you can have is ChatGPT. Write a prompt like act as a teacher and teach me step by step Python programming. Now it is writing the response to my given prompt, and look how comprehensively and easily it has tried to teach Python in step by step. First, it has told me how to install it with reference link. Second, it has explained me how to set up the development environment along with some examples. And in the third step, it has started teaching some basics of Python like variables and data types. In the next step, it has shown a first program to write where it is printing hello world, and in the end it is giving some tips to progress and grow by practicing. So these are the 3 most helpful prompts that you can use to get the desired result and to make the most of these AI models. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.